guys, here we are with the one and only A4 Laminator. All you need to do is click on my video to find out how we get this done. It is so simple, guys. This is probably one of the easiest and quickest tutorials you will click on for a laminator. Now I'm just going to show you my laminator sheet first of all. So these are the laminator sheets you will more than likely get in your package, and just show you here briefly, it does open out, so it's not like two separate ones you have to put it together. You just slide your piece of paper in and away you go. Now if you had seen my previous video, I did a music tribute video for Wild Cherry's Play That Funky Music, dedicated to my stepdad that I've just lost at 21 years. Also, it's not a dedication, but I might as well show you. I need to laminate these pictures, and these are when he was messing around and when I was obviously a bit younger. You can tell. If you saw the last picture that I put up in the tribute, that, yeah, there's only a few years difference, but they're just nice to remember, and other family members wanted the originals, and I thought, well, I've just invested in a brand new printer, which I'll also do another tutorial on, and it's pretty decent quality. So I'm just going to laminate this. Thought I might as well show you the picture. So what I will do is, normally on these laminators they have switches, is an on and off switch. So I will put that on. Now it takes a few minutes to warm up. So while that is warming up, I will put our laminator piece of paper together. So all you need to do for this simple thing is open it up, and wherever you want a piece of paper, your card, whatever it is you're laminating, we are literally just going to put it bang in the middle. So that's in the middle, as you can see, at the edges there. And now we wait, which may take up to 60 seconds to warm up. Time lapse commencing. Oh, here we go. Right, so on this, you don't want that open bit going in the laminator straight on. You want the bit that's connected, as you can see it's connected, going in straight. So that's all you need to do next. And don't force it. If you force it, you'll more than likely damage the laminator. And also, if you just shove it in, it sounds daft, but if you just shove it in, you also will more than likely, like, it will get bumps in it and it'll have bubbles in it. So you don't want to do that. You literally just want to slide it in, and you will feel it grab it from your hand, and you just want to let go. And I shall time lapse this part for you, and then you will see the end product. And we are done. So I'll just turn this off, and don't worry about the smell. It will smell a tiny bit. It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with the laminator. It just means that it's warmed up and it's warming up. But I'll turn it off now because we are done. And just set it aside to cool down. And that should be cool in the next 5 to 10 minutes. So I'll just show you the end product to see how good the quality is of the laminating. I'll turn it over for you so you can see the end. So there. It's all been done. and that bit is laminated. I just, after putting it in, realised it was only a tiny bit. You can see it there, but it's not at the edge and it's done, and it's all sealed. So I'm very happy with my product, guys. That is literally all you need to do. That is so simple. Thank you guys for getting this far. You know the drill, you know what to do. Go ahead, smash the like button, comment down below, let's share the positivity, and of course, subscribe if you're new.